comment that I get from my last video and I built it.
But first, let me show you something that I've been working on. It's a Wi-Fi control switch and can be turned on like that. Yeah, it's boring. So let's hook it up with my doorbell and prank my parents. Hi, I'm a dipshit. Today, I'm not excited to announce my newest invention, an AI teacher. Don't you hate it when people call you dumbass? A dumbass? Dumbass? Well, not anymore. With the help of AI teacher, anyone can develop the habit of reading books. Once the AI teacher is on, that's the only thing that you should do. If you look away from the book, it will shoot water at your face, and if you stop reading, it will tase you. It will tase you. Alright, to build the teacher, we need a DC pump. Connect the DC pump with a 9-volt battery and it's pissing. God, we need more power. Trying 12 volts. There you go. Fuck the 9-volt battery. Alright, to aim the water, I'm using 2 servos on top of each other. One to move left and right and another to move up and down. If that makes any sense. Now connect the servos with the microcontroller and that connects with the PC via USB cable and it's just moving. In order to aim, we need code. A shit ton of code.
Alright guys, it's a coding time.
Start by getting video feed from the webcam, then use MediaPipe libraries to detect face in every frame, then use getKeyPoint function to get right eye position, then do this fancy math because the frame is 600 by 500 but the servo can move up to 180 degrees, so that explanation just sucks. That just sucks.
Okay, let's just try. 3, 2, 1. Fuck.
At this moment I realize I don't have any footage how I turn on the pump and the taser based on whether the user is reading the book or not, which is mostly done by the code. And this gaming controller, you remember this guys? You remember this? You remember?
Ain't nobody quite like you, got me falling through and through, straight to the top, I'm down.
So the machine is, as you can see, is ready for the action and I have flipped set to switch. Would you mind to start the switch?
बोल भी
Acha. 1, 2, 3, on. As you can see, I am fucking reading the book and put my hand in the tasing pad, and at any point, if I start to, stop talking like this, it didn't shock me. Wow, I don't know why. Fuck! Ooh, fuck! It's a great invention! Ow! Fuck! Mike! I didn't expect about
say cheese